In an era of diverse spiritual paths, a blended Gnostic-Buddhist belief system offers a unique and profound opportunity for spiritual enrichment and personal transformation. By harmonizing the profound Gnostic themes of divine knowledge, gnosis, and the insightful Buddhist principles of dharma, karma, and samsara, this integrated approach not only enhances individual understanding, but also fosters a deeper sense of unity with the cosmos. This essay advocates for the adoption of this merged system, detailing its advantages and the improved understandings it offers. At the core of both Gnosticism and Buddhism is a profound dissatisfaction with the material world, perceived as a place of suffering and illusion. Gnosticism articulates this through the narrative of the demiurge, a creator god who unwittingly forms an imperfect world. Similarly, Buddhism teaches of samsara, a cycle of rebirth fueled by ignorance and desire. By merging these concepts, the blended system offers a cohesive view of life's challenges. The material existence is not merely a trap set by a lesser deity, nor just a stage for rebirth, but a complex field where ignorance can be transcended through spiritual wisdom and ethical living. Practically, the synthesis of Sophia's quest for redemption with the Buddhist path to enlightenment provides a dynamic spiritual practice that emphasizes both knowledge and ethical living. Sophia's journey underscores the transformative power of hidden knowledge, while the Buddhist path offers practical steps such as the Noble Eightfold Path to cultivate virtues, mindfulness, and wisdom. This combination empowers adherents to pursue a life of enlightened ethics, where actions are informed by both cosmic understanding and compassionate engagement with the world. A blended Gnostic-Buddhist community would naturally uphold a dual commitment to gnosis, deep knowledge, and compassionate action. This ethical stance promotes a society where understanding and compassion go hand in hand, addressing both spiritual ignorance and the practical challenges of human suffering. Such a community would not only advocate for personal transformation, but also drive collective action towards a more enlightened society, sensitive to both spiritual and worldly needs. One of the most significant contributions of this blended system is its enriched conception of suffering and liberation. It recognizes suffering as stemming both from material imperfections and the cyclical traps of existence as taught in Buddhism. Liberation is thus seen as achievable not only through personal enlightenment, as in Buddhism, but also through an esoteric understanding of the universe's deeper truths, as in Gnosticism. This dual approach ensures that liberation is comprehensive, addressing both the existential and cosmological dimensions of human existence. The merged Gnostic-Buddhist belief system stands as a beacon of holistic spiritual practice, addressing the complexities of human existence with a rich tapestry of wisdom from two of the world's profound mystical traditions. By advocating for this system, we are not merely promoting a new way of thinking, but are calling for a profound reorientation of human consciousness. This system offers paths to transformation that are as intellectually rigorous as they are heart-opening, providing tools for both understanding the universe and acting within it with wisdom and compassion. As such, it holds not just theoretical appeal, but practical relevance for anyone seeking to navigate the challenges of modern life with spiritual depth and ethical integrity.